Queenie was making soup when she accidentally poured a lot of salt.
Help me! My soup is so salty! What should I do?
Don't worry! Did you know that water is a solvent and salt is the solute? The salt will be dissolved if we put more water, since the concentration of the salt will be lessened when there is more solvent in the same container.
Is that so? Then I will add more water then.
Solutions. It is a special type of homogeneous mixture composed of two or more substances. In such a mixture, a solute is a substance dissolved in another substance known as a solvent. Concentration. A measure of the amount of solute that has been dissolved in a given amount of solvent or solution. A concentrated solution is one that has a relatively large amount of dissolved solute. A dilute solution is one that has a relatively small amount of dissolved solute. Laica decided to jog one sunny morning for a long time. After she jogged, she was very tired and breathed heavily.
I'm so tired!
And that is because of your body's feedback mechanism. Negative feedback happens in this example. Your body tries to keep up in balancing your vital signs such as the speed of your heartbeat, your respiration, and your temperature. Your body sends signals to counteract the imbalance through its nerves. And then the body will make you breathe faster to get more oxygen from the surroundings, emit more sweat to reduce the temperature. The problem is the amount of water in his or her body is depleting. Dehydration is happening to you, making you very exhausted. And because of this, you should go to under the shade of a tree, sit down there, and drink water to replenish yourself and help your body in doing homeostasis.
So Laica found a tree, sat down, and drank plenty of water.
I feel so much better now.
Feedback mechanism, a physiological loop that brings the body either toward or away from the normal steady state. Homeostasis, the state of steady internal, physical, and chemical conditions maintained by living organisms. This is a condition of optimal functioning for the organism and includes many variables such as body temperature and fluid balance being kept within certain preset limits. Ernest learned that a camera flash uses RC circuit. He wanted to know more about Kirchhoff's law, so he was presented this problem.
The switch is thrown from point B to A at t equals 0 after having been in position B for a long time. What is the current through the resistor after the switch is thrown?
To solve this problem, we are going to use this formula. I equals V divided by R. Since the voltage has 12V and the resistor has 20 watts, we're going to divide 12 with 20.
Which means that the answer is 0.6 amperes. How about what is the charge on the capacitor at t equals 0.3 ms after the switch is thrown?
To find the charge on the capacitor, we're going to use this formula.
We're going to use this since the circuit is charging. To get the charge, we're going to multiply 10 microfarad and 12 voltage. Then we will get 1.2 times 10 raised to the power of negative 4. Now let us substitute the values. 1.2 times 10 raised to the power of negative 4 times 1 minus Euler's number raised to the power of negative 0.003 divided by 0.002.
Charge on the capacitor at t equals 0.3 ms after the switch is thrown is 9.32 times 10 to the power of negative 5C or 93.2 mC. Problem solved.
Kirchhoff's law. Two equalities that deal with the current and potential difference in the lumped element model of electrical circuits. They were first described in 1845 by German physicist Gustav Kirchhoff. RC circuit. It stands for resistor-capacitor circuit. RC circuit is defined as an electrical circuit composed of the passive circuit components of a resistor and capacitor driven by a voltage source or current source.